Hey, hi friends. So, how are you all? I hope all are doing well. So, today I would like to tell you a most important word in our life, and that is known as love. Yes, it is a four-letter word, but it has a most deep meaning inside it. Yes, from the day when we born, we get a love of our mother. So, this love is never-ending process, and without love, there is a no life. If I say that the day when I born, the day when I enter into this world, I received the word love of my mother. I received the love of my father. I received the love of my brother and sister. Then when I go to school or colleges, I received the love of my best friend who support us, who always there in our problem, who always care for us. Then the particular time comes where we get the love of our soulmate, of our partner. So see friends, the love is never ending process. From each and every step we require the love, because at each stage of life we require different types of love. Like we require the mother love, we require friends love, we require partner love. And the time comes when we have a children, then when whatever the love we get, we then transfer that love to our children. Then if we are at a certain age where we receive send the love to our grandson. So whatever it is a complete, we can say it is a never ending process, and it is the most important. And trust me, love is that gift, I can say it's that feeling that it is the most required in our life. And without love there is a no life. Each and every step we require the love, because if there is a no love in our life, the life will be totally, I can say, it goes in a van. It is, we can say, totally there is a no enjoyment or no fulfillment in our life. So the love is the most important thing that we always require in a life. And see, man, I will always like to take love each other, take care of each other, because see, even if you take care or love each other, the feelings what you will get in our heart, in our mind, that will be the most utmost great feeling, that it will leads to a great life. So always love and care for each other, and at each and every step you will receive love. You have to also not only receive the love, but you also have to give away that love to each and every members who are meeting you, or whatever the friends, we can say the partner. So at each and every step we require the love, and the love is the most important thing. And love should be there, it should not have any expectation, but it should be from heart to heart, that a person should feel happy when he receives the love. And that love, you can say, even if you don't have money in our life, but the most important thing we require the love. And that love you have to take care. Even if there is a no, we have a big bungalows, or you don't have a much money, but if we receive a love from your love person, then it is the most important thing, I can say that. So the small message today I would like to spread you all: love your family, love your friends, love your partner, and spread love everywhere. Thank you.